My video guide is about getting rid of the browser notifications that are related to the website Beluh.live. So this site Beluh.live is totally faulty and deceptive. It actually claims to be related to the well-known security application, but in reality these pop-ups are totally fake and deceptive. You should not interact with them. Stay away from downloading or installing anything that these pop-ups ever suggest. If you see these pop-ups by Beluh.live, simply disregard whatever they tell you and just leave this page. We also recommend that you carefully research your system with Combo Cleaner antivirus by going to the website combocleaner.com. Download the program, install it, and then begin researching this system with its help. Combo Cleaner antivirus will help you to detect and eliminate other infections that could possibly remain on your computer. After you have successfully downloaded and installed Combo Cleaner antivirus, make sure you click on Start Scan button. Initially, the program is in the trial mode, so only the quick scan option is so far available in the trial mode. The program most likely will first of all update its anti-malware database, and of course this is crucial for proper detection and removal of any malware, ransomware, adware or other infections. While the scanning by Combo Cleaner is taking place, please pay attention to several features in Combo Cleaner, such as anti-ransomware. This feature, for instance, allows to help you to add several folders that will always be protected against ransomware or malware attacks. At the end of the scanning, you will see the detailed summary of all the threads which were found on your computer. You will be able to know the names of all these threads, the locations of all these threads on your computer, and of course, based on that summary, you will be able to remove certain threads manually. However, we strongly advise that you consider upgrading to the premium license of Combo Cleaner antivirus. This is the best way to remove any possibly hidden malware from your system and to keep your data always protected against any other possible malware attacks. So use Combo Cleaner Premium license to make sure your system is always under the defense against all contemporary threats.